Hi students, today you are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used for the action which started in the past and the same action is still going on. Rule: first form plus ing, helping verbs has been and have been. Moreover, there is roll-up time in present perfect continuous tense. Time has two kinds: point of time and period of time. With point of time, we use preposition since. For example, since 2 o'clock, since morning, since January, since 2020. With period of time, we use preposition for. For example, 2 hours, 2 days, 2 months, 2 years. Let's have some examples. You have been watching this video for 2 minutes. It means you started watching this video 2 minutes ago, still you are watching it. Action started in the past and the same action is still going on. I have been teaching for many years. It means I started teaching many years ago and by the grace of God, still I am teaching. Now, let's have practice exercise. My brother blank cricket since morning. Verb is play. My brother has been play first form plus ing playing. My brother has been playing cricket since morning. Rocky blank since 2 o'clock. Verb is study. Rocky has been study plus ing studying. Rocky has been studying since 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock is exact time, point of time, particular time. Since 2 o'clock. Rocky has been studying since 2 o'clock. Rosie blank television since morning. Verb is not watch. Rosie has not been watching television since morning. Rosie hasn't been watching television since morning. They blank in this house since 2017. Verb is live. They have been living in this house since 2017. We blank for them for 2 hours. Verb is wait. We have been waiting for them for 2 hours. I blank to you for 5 minutes. Verb is talk. I have been talking to you for 5 minutes. It means I started talking to you 5 minutes ago. Still, I am talking to you. You blank to me for 5 minutes. Verb is listen. You have been listening to me for 5 minutes. It means you started listening to me 5 minutes ago. Still, you are listening to me. He blank English for 5 years. Verb is learn. He has been learning English for 5 years. He has been learning English for 5 years. Now, let's have speaking practice using present perfect continuous tense. Do you play cricket? Yes, I play cricket. How long have you been playing cricket? I have been playing cricket since 2011. Do you operate the computer? Yes, I operate the computer. How long have you been operating the computer? I have been operating the computer for 10 years. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. How long have you been speaking English? I have been speaking English since my childhood. Do you sing? Yes, I sing. How long have you been singing? I have been singing for 10 years. Do you dance? Yes, I dance. How long have you been dancing? I have been dancing since my childhood. Since when have you been living in this city? I have been living in this city since 1995. Have you understood this lesson? Yes, I have understood this lesson very well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I hope you might have learned present perfect continuous tense. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Thank you for watching.